Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sweetie Nail Supply YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the new DIAMI Color Drop Season 3 collection. We're going to get started with an unboxing and swatches, then do a product demo, and wrap up by showing you some nail looks you can create with this collection. As we open this, you can see here that each color has its own individual box, and there's also a swatch card. The cool thing about the swatch card is it is double-sided, so you can place swatches on both sides, or you can choose your favorite side to display, whichever works best for you, but at least you have options. So the Color Drop Season 3 collection comes with 10 vibrant shades, and you can see here that the bottles look great and they're going to be perfect for display, but they're also practical. The long handle makes them easy to hold so you can find a comfortable grip. This is an oil-based formula, so these do need to be shaken up a little bit before opening, so let's go ahead and do that before taking a look at the brush. Each bottle is going to have its own built-in brush that looks just like this. Even though you can see the color through the bottle, it is also on the cap. Keep in mind that these do air dry, so when you're done, make sure to close the bottle nice and tight. So now we're going to swatch the entire collection in order, starting off with the first one, which is a light peach shade. Next, we have a light pink, a light red, an orange, yellow. Next up, we have a sky blue. This one here is a cross between a blue and a purple, very similar to a periwinkle. Then we have a purple. Here's another red, but this one is going to be slightly darker than the one we swatched earlier. And last but not least, we have a green. Here are the colors side by side, and you can see we do have a good mix between primary and complementary colors. This collection is going to be perfect for making some fun, vibrant nail looks, so we're going to show you how to use these. To get started, choose the color of your choice. We're going to be going with this shade here. After opening the bottle, wipe the brush on the rim to remove any extra ink. We're going to move quickly with this step. Since this is an air dry product, we don't want it drying out before it hits the nail. Start by gently gliding the product across the nail. We're beginning in the upper left corner and dragging it down to the bottom right using fun squiggly motions. You can add another layer, just let it air dry first before repeating the process. It air dries quickly, so you only have to wait a couple of seconds. And now we're going to do the exact same thing again using those fun squiggly motions. You don't have to stick to just one color. Layering different shades makes the look even more fun. So next we're going in with the orange shade. Following the same squiggly pattern, we'll overlap it slightly with the light red tones. If you want to add a third shade, wait for the second layer to fully air dry. You'll notice how the colors layer nicely without bleeding or fading the pigment of the ones underneath it. If you want to add more color to certain areas, just place a small drop of ink where you need it, then use a brush like the DIAMI Leaf Long to gently spread it out for an even finish. And that's it. Since these are air dry and not gel, there's no need to cure at this point. Just go in with your top coat of choice, then cure the top gel once you're all done. These inks pair easily with other nail art elements to create fun and unique looks. You can use them with things like glitter, chrome powders, or even foils to make any design pop. They also make a great base for detailed designs, adding depth and interest. So here, we're actually going to be pairing this look with a glitter outline to give it more dimension and sparkle. This collection is so much fun to work with and the possibilities are endless. Watercolor, marble, or even paint splatter nails are like the ones we've created here. We really hope you enjoyed the video. The Color Drop Season 3 collection is now available on our website, so be sure to check the description box down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button on your way out. And don't forget to turn on the notifications because we wouldn't want you to miss the next video.